Okay, please record the background music. It's a hold line now. I have to be on the phone. So anyway, I told myself I was only going to take longs, but a very almost irresistible short came. So I told myself I will take a short. I was able to get 3 ticks, not so bad. But the price action went very much against me. Went very much long, and that's my bias now. My bias now is long. But I thought I would take that short. I wasn't so happy with the price action. I thought I'll just get out. I'm not so sad. I was still able to make money. And we will be posted. Another thing, also, I was actually considering getting in over here, but I was a little bit scared because this went up and it didn't really like make a wave shape, so I was a little bit scared. But I was considering getting in over here, which would have been a great trade. So we have to not be scared of these little losses, but also at the same time to be wary because a lot of those little losses could add up. But the point is that our gains should be bigger. All right, that's just something to think about and to keep in our minds. Okay, I thought this was a good place to get in, but I got whipsawed. I was originally hesitant, but then the price bounced up here, so I thought it was actually a good idea to get in. Yeah, sure. So they answered the phone, so I had to come back anyway. Um, so yeah, some hopefully we'll make a +1. You can always hope that that's the case. It would be nice if we could get in down here, but we don't want to lose so much money. We don't want to double down. Oh, I love that how it just touches our entry point, and we only need one more tick to be able to get out of this trade. So what should we do? We should just wait and
Target filled.
Okay, we were able to +1 there. Let's see, we got in at 22.75. Oh, so we actually +2 there. That's great. With that's okay. Not the end of the world. That's making a tick more than we originally thought we would have made. And we see the price action is going up, so it does validate our entry. Sometimes the buyers aren't as aggressive in the beginning for whatever the reasons are, or for whatever the underlying stocks are that have to do with this index. It doesn't seem to be so much selling going on. At this point, we have a little bit of sideways action in the overall trend. So I think we're going to, unless something major happens, we're going to relax a little bit with our trading, and we're going to see what happens next. There is some selling going on here, and selling is starting to pick up. Overall, though, our biases for the day from the open are very bullish. We opened at about 38.10, around there. That was the open, and we're still higher from that, although not markedly in the stock market. So we're gonna have to see what happens. Hopefully, we will be able to. If it's a real bullish day, we would be able to get up to maybe 38.30 as a target. But we have to see and wait for that, because now it's kind of like a bit of an equilibrium, it seems, here between the bulls and the bears. Okay, so we got into a trade over here. The price went to +2, so we moved our stop to +1 offensively, and looks like we're going to get a +1. Okay, so so we made a tick on that trade. Strongly considering changing my target to +2, especially this late in the game now, because there's been a number of trades. We'd be up at least 6 points in our overall effort had we done that, and or maybe at least we would have 4 points. So that's something we have to think about. But again, trading is like a long-term thing, a multi-week thing. You can't go week by week. Some weeks there's just more volatility. So that was a pretty good trade. We got in at a great price, and we got 1.75 ticks maximum, about two maximum. And okay, we're happy with that. So we learned the lesson of something that we did before, and now we made a tick. Great, good for us.